This is a short video about the Federal Aviation Administration's Noise Policy Review. It is the third and final in a series of which explains how we describe aviation noise. Black text signifies what is being covered by this video, while gray text signifies what is covered in other videos in the series. This video is the third and final in the series of how aviation noise is described and covers the concepts of operational noise metrics. The number above an LMAX metric, abbreviated as NA, is a count of noise events equaling or exceeding a specified A-weighted maximum sound level, or LMAX. NA uses a defined time period to quantify the number of events. For example, a nighttime sleep period or a daytime school day period. The NA depends on the chosen LMAX. In this case, the number of noise events above the chosen LMAX for the hour is 6. As the LMAX value is increased, the number of events at or above that LMAX decreases. In this case, the NA for the hour is 3. The time above an LMAX metric, or TA for short, reflects the cumulative amount of time a noise event is at or above a specified maximum sound level, or LMAX. TA uses a defined time period to quantify the exposure. Like NA, it is important to specify the LMAX. In the shown example, the time above the chosen LMAX for the minute is 38 seconds. If you increase the LMAX threshold, the time at or above that threshold decreases. In this case, the TA for the minute decreased to 26 seconds. Thank you for watching this third video on how aviation noise can be described.